So we're looking at a Zimo MX648 decoder, sound decoder, but running on analog, all set up for analog. This is pretty cool. So we take up the power to about 2/3, and it's just enough to start the sound decoder off. You can hear that now. And at standstill there's quite a few random sounds that will come up every now and then if we wait long enough. This is a Bachmann 3F Ginty. You can hear some of the random sounds kicking in now. You can see we've got the control really quite high up, but this is enough to start the sound decoder powered up, get it powered up and start the sounds playing. As you can hear, there's quite a few different random sounds on there. You get a lot more if you did it on DCC, but this is a pretty good start. So as you can see, although the analog controller is quite a long way up, this is just enough to put the sound on, but not enough to actually make it move. The decoder is configured so that it has DCC momentum effects switched on, so if I increase it to start the motion, you'll see that it honours the same momentum effects that you would get if you were on digital. Now if I change direction, it's quite easy to control. It's just fairly high up on the analog scale. Oops, running off the end. That's pretty cool. If I drop the power below the minimum required to make the sound decoder switch on, then the sound will disappear altogether, like so. Let's swap them out for another one that's got the same treatment. In this case it's a Bachmann pannier tank, and it operates in exactly the same way. Just enough power to get the sound on. Try to let it run off the end of the track this time. Takes a little bit of getting used to where the control has to be, but with a little bit of practice you can drive it very smoothly indeed. It sounds great on analog with the sound. So there you have it, Zimo sound decoders running on DC.